DateMaki Tamago.
DateMaki Tamago. And it's usually made in one of these specially shaped pans, which are available in the Asian stores. Put a little oil.
And the 6 eggs.
6 eggs, wow. Make sure the pan gets nice and hot before you start. Once the pan is hot, put a thin layer of egg in there. And I have no idea what to do after that. I know they kind of roll it.
Yeah.
That's all I know. And it comes out good. Does that egg have any sugar in it?
No, that's the soup stock. Any kind of soup stock. Maybe 2 tablespoons. That's it.
A little bit of soup stock in the broth, chicken or vegetable broth.
Japanese soup stock, anything. Also, you want to put the sugar, only sugar, nothing else.
Sometimes they put the sweet ones in Bentos, the box lunch. Yeah. The secret to this is how they roll it, and I don't even know how I could do that.
Not rolled yet.
Not yet, but.
Please make it like a scrambled egg.
A little more oil. Then another layer of eggs going in, and it'll end up having to get underneath that first batch. So they lift it up and get it underneath, and it's another layer. Sounds like I know what I'm talking about, but I don't.
You watch. And now turn over small amount. And turn over. If you want, you can use a spatula. And push back.
And you're gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Another layer, a little oil.
Yeah.
And another layer is gonna go underneath. Concept-wise, this is easy. Actually making it wise, I don't think I could do it.
And push it back again.
Another layer? Oh my gosh. This is the 4th layer?
1, 2, 3, yeah. And that's the last one.
Okay. About 1/2 inch or less slices, and you can plate it with a little fruit or lettuce or cabbage. Looks good. Thank you for watching Kiyoko's Kitchen. Please subscribe, and we'll be back again later.